Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed that real quick unboxing, real quick packaging showcase, and real quick installation guide for the LXXMSXH tempered glass screen protectors and lens protectors for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. And that first part of the video took me so long, so I'm probably going to accelerate it for you guys and gals so this video isn't super long. But in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give you guys and gals my overall first impressions. Now, talking about the installation process was super straightforward. Now, it did throw me for a loop because in the marketing material for the screen protector, it looks as though there's a cutout for the front-facing camera. But as y'all would have seen from the installation, there is no cutout for the front-facing camera. This is just one piece of glass that goes on my device, right? So y'all can see, and that kind of threw me for a loop because I was like, wait a minute, I was expecting there to be a cutout, and there was none, right? But y'all can see it covers up the camera, and the camera still works. Okay, the camera still works. Now, I do have my studio lights going. I have my overhead lights going, so it is super bright. All right, so this is not going to be the best image because everything will probably be blown out. But you can see the front-facing camera still works perfectly fine, and everything now is fully protected. So good stuff there indeed. And y'all can see my screen protector, my fingerprint sensor still works, and I didn't have to reprogram it. And I showed y'all in the after the installation that all the cameras on the rear still work perfectly fine. Now they just have a little bit of tempered glass over them. So now the cameras are fully protected and covered. All right, and that also threw me for a loop because in the material, I thought there was going to be like a little cutout tray, and as y'all saw from the installation, it was just little pieces of tempered glass, and it kind of fell out onto the thing, and I had to peel it off one by one, and then take my time and stick it down and make sure it's lined up. That was a struggle, but the overall installation process was very straightforward. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it about a 5. Okay, so the installation process definitely needs some overall improvements. But in terms of functionality and protection, everything works exactly as it's supposed to. So first impressions with the, I'm just going to put the name up on the screen because I'm not repeating it again. It is really good. Really good indeed. Now, let's check out the overall case compatibility here. So let me grab a case. Hold on. Grab my favorite faux carbon fiber case here, and let's slap it on. So let me turn the screen off first. Let's slap it in the case. All right. And kind of lifted a little bit. Hold on. Not happy with that. Turn that back off. Hold on, turn off. Okay, so kind of lifted that tempered glass up a little bit. Okay, but it went back down. And that's the weird part, that this screen protector doesn't go all the way to the edges. So I was not expecting it to start lifting there. But y'all can see it does work. It did lift a little bit, but it does work. So not bad there. So this should be case friendly. All right. And you can see the tempered glass on the back, perfectly fine. Now, it may not look like it on camera, but I am seeing little bubbles, like it's not down all the way, but it is down all the way. I guess those bubbles will take a little bit to come out, I'm guessing. Okay, and I do have it lined up appropriately because it's not messing up my camera lenses, so everything is down properly, even though I'm seeing little bubbles on the video. Like it might not stay down, but it is down. Alright? And it's down because I can't even move it around. So now I'm just trying to press on it to get those bubbles out. Alright, but it's down, and I can't move it around. But cameras still work, and now technically they have full protection. But I'm not really a fan of the lens protectors for the cameras, but I did want to show y'all an installation there. But first impressions of this tempered glass and lens protectors, they do seem to work exactly as advertised. Now, I did get in another batch of cases, so I'm going to leave these lens protectors on. I'm going to leave the tempered glass on as I go through this next round of cases, and we're going to see just how well this tempered glass stands up to the different cases and regular usage. And that's it. I'm not going to touch it anymore. So if stuff fall off, if stuff start peeling, I'll come back in the full review and let you guys and gals know. But this does it for the overall unboxing and first impressions of the tempered glass and lens protectors from, I'm going to put the name up one more time, okay, and the overall installation process. Now, I'm going to use this for as long as I have to use this. And once I feel like I got a handle on everything that I want to talk about and cover with you guys, I'll come back and do the full review like I always do. Alright, but that does it for today's video. That being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it friendly. If y'all did, y'all know what to do. Friendly. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and or I hope it helped you out. If it did and or you enjoyed it, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, okay? This whole video here today was recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up the device and or the featured tempered glass screen protectors and lens protectors, all the affiliated buy links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, that is affiliated links, meaning that when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, that makes those affiliated links a win-win for everyone, okay? Also down below in the video description will be all of my extended coverage on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and all of the recommended cases. So down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Woo-wee. I'm going to have to edit this bad boy down like a mug because that installation process took so long. Alright, everyone. We're out of here. Have a good one. Peace.